Shikoku is known for pilgrimage. The Henro Trail circumnavigates the entire island and connects 88 temples dedicated to Kobudaishi, the founder of Shingon Buddhism in Japan. I'm on my way to Temple 39. As you can see, I'm not bearing my big pack. That's because there's a Henro Goya where I could leave it, because it's now 6 km to the temple and I have to walk back the exact same way. So I'm too lazy to carry a big pack for 12 km. That is Temple 39. A bit of a residential area. Just passed a big tour bus, so luckily could beat them. It's very quiet and peaceful and nice. Yeah, that was Temple 39. I'm on my way to 40. Back to the Henro Goya where my backpack is. It is 6:30 and I'm already walking because, well, I just woke up at 5:30. Okay, why not? And I don't have food anymore, and I'm hungry, so I thought, okay, well, if I want to have food I need to go to the supermarket, and the next supermarket is like 5 km away. Ohayou gozaimasu. Another temple. There you can see my best friend, the big bell. But I'm not gonna ring it now, as it's still very early in the morning. I think I might wake up a lot of people and annoy them, which I usually enjoy, but now it kind of feels wrong to do it in a temple. Okay, was Temple 40, and now it's finally time to get some breakfast. The next temple is 50 km away, or 45, so I won't make it today, to come somewhere in between. You can see the little mountain range behind me. That's where I have to go now, because I have to cross it. And so it begins. Going uphill, going uphill. Okay, finally there's a clearing, and I can show you that it was worth to take the mountain trail instead of the coastal. I made it over the mountain and I'm now back along the highway, which by now I highly appreciate, because it means it is fairly flat. Then another 5k is Michi-no-eki, where I can pitch my tent for tonight, which is perfect. It's official, it's autumn. Last night we had the first frost. I saw people scratching their windows this morning because of the frost. So yeah, it was freezing cold last night. So here's Temple 41, hidden. Oh, that actually looks cool. Like small houses. Oh, that was already Temple 42. Now I'm on my way to Temple 43. In the Ehime prefecture, the trail is most of the time inland and not along the coast. It leads deep into the mountains to reach some of the most remote temples on the trail. Finally made it to Temple 43. Since Temple 40 I'm in the Ehime prefecture, which means that is now the Enlightenment part. And my enlightenment was, hey, I do the math, I have more than enough time before my visa expires, so I can walk slower and don't have to rush it anymore. My campground from last night, so it's a Henro hut. You can see it says there on the right in Japanese, or Henro-san. So that's what you can expect when you're near Temple 43. Just keep going for 3 kilometers. Monk Kukai, who hiked those 88 temples like a couple hundred years ago. Apparently he slept here under the bridge. Well, not that particular bridge. I guess it was just a wooden bridge over the river. And now I'm on my way to Temple 44. It will be another 2 days. Make sure to pack enough food for those 2 days, because there will be no supermarket along the way. There are 2 routes leading up to Temple 44 and 45. And only on one is a tiny Michi-no-eki where you can buy some food. Okay, so I arrived at the Michi-no-eki and I asked them, hey, is it okay that I can pitch my tent here? And he said like, yeah, it's okay, but why don't you go to the free hotel? Like, what do you mean free hotel? They told me, okay, just go there, pick up the key. So I walked to the place, and it was like a small restaurant. He gave me a key and explained, yeah, go there, there and there, and then tomorrow just drop the key. I mean, it's nothing luxurious. It has power, so it has some mattresses. And just amazing, it's free accommodation. So I don't have to pitch a tent. So a really good night's sleep in my private free hotel. Now making my way up the mountains to Temple 44 and 45, and while we're on the mountain, so it's freezing cold, but luckily the sun is now finally creeping over the mountains. I'm on my way up to Temple 45. It's very early in the morning and I'm in the mountains, so as you can see it is all white, which means because, well, I'm literally walking in the clouds right now. I think I have a new favorite temple, temple number 45. It's just, the setting is just spectacular. So I finally made it out of the mountain ranges and I'm on the outskirts of Matsuyama and close by Temple 46. And after 46 it's roughly 1k to 47 where I will stay because apparently they have a really good suyado. This temple here with like the palm trees and sand floor kind of feels like on like a Caribbean island or so. Like a totally different flair from the temple this morning carved into the mountains. That was Temple 46 and now I'm on my way to Temple 47. And yeah, you can see the sun is already dropping down behind the mountains. So it is 4 p.m. Roughly another hour of daylight left. And yeah, it is Temple 47. I asked for the Tsuyado. I said, yeah, here's Tsuyado. Gave me a key, gave me oseta, which is highly unusual, so I got energy drink and cookies. And this is my Tsuyado place, so tatami room, mattress, blanket, power, everything. Toilets nearby. And the best part is I can use a bicycle, so I don't have to walk to the kombini, I can just take the bike. I'm on my way to Temple 48 and ta-da! There it is. And that is temple number 49. The cool thing is on the trail right now, it's kind of like a labyrinth. It's like those very narrow back alleys the way it's leading through. So yeah, 50, keep on going there. And that is Temple 50. Okay, I'm back from my Hiroshima trip and back at Temple 52 where I left the trail to catch the ferry. Okay, that is temple number 53, just half an hour away from 52. So easy peasy for the re-entry of the trail. Back on the trail, back from Hiroshima, and last night was the perfect harsh welcome back gift from Mother Nature. And now I'm on my way to Temple 54, another quiet one. I think I made it before the guided tour I saw earlier. So now the temple has only one other person here, so it's perfect. which is a Buddhist temple on the one hand side and Shinto shrine on the other side. "7:30. I slept here in the temple. I'm on my way to temple 57. Yeah, 57. And 58 somewhere up in the mountains, and then it's a long stretch to the next temple. And yesterday was a really long day, way longer than expected. So today will be nice and easy 20-25k day instead of 40. Okay, well, that was temple 58. I just had delicious, freshly made mochi for breakfast, and now I've seen like how it is done, so it's perfect. Almost my today's goal. Sleep down there in the city, and now comes the shock moment of the day, and for tomorrow, because as you can see there in the back, those mountains covered in the clouds, that's where I'm heading tomorrow. Up there is one temple. They do provide free lodging for Henro walkers, so we have a private room. It's me and another Japanese. So like a little bunk bed, private room, power, toilets nearby, supermarket nearby.